Hi friends! Today we are going to bake an easy cookie. And that easy cookie needs 3 ingredients and a wooden spoon, a bowl, and a fork. So let's bake the cookie! Here we have all of the ingredients. Wait, let me wear my apron and come back. Ta-da! First, I have a half cup of butter. Let me put that butter into the bowl. Gosh, it's sticky! It's sticky. It's kind of sticky to remove. I think I'm gonna need a parent. Wait, no, I don't need one. Next, I'm adding a 1/4 cup of sugar. Here we go. Now let's mix it. It is in creamy texture. I'm done. Now I am adding flour. Let's mix it again. After putting all of the ingredients, the dough will look like this. I'm pinching a small dough out of it. I'm making a ball out of it. Just a ball. Make another one, okay? Until the dough's out. Now all balls are made. I'm going to take a fork and then push it. Keep doing it until all of the balls are done. That's it, I'm all done. I'm gonna ask my mom to bake these cookies. The cookies are just out of the oven. I'm gonna taste it. Super! The cookies are yummy. Malt and mount super crunchy cookies. Try these cookies with your family and friends. I'm sure they are going to like it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our video, subscribe to our channel. Bye. Thank you for watching. Happy holidays.